All right, so we had a complaint. This pump skids down. Obviously the chillers ain't gonna run. They were popping fuses, and after the customer replaced a fuse and tried to switch pumps, didn't work. I came, found 480, 280, 280, not getting power to the box. So, you know, of course we stopped right there and called an electrician. Just kidding. We actually worked our way back to the panel. Same problem here. The panel the pump comes out of. Where does that go? Who knows? Had to pop our head up in the ceiling. Lo and behold, it goes to a transfer switch panel back there. And then we worked our way back to here. This fuse is popped. Short to ground on that phase. Melted to neutral right there. So, you know, I'm gonna get a big blue wire nut, fix it.